Deal end.
Good morning, everyone. This is Iosif, analyst at IronFX, bringing you the morning comment for the 7th of December. CAD plunges after BOC urges caution. The Bank of Canada kept its policy unchanged yesterday, as was widely anticipated, while the statement accompanying the decision had a relatively dovish tone. Even though the bank noted the strength of the recent economic data, such as employment and inflation figures, it appeared quite hesitant to signal any near-term rate hikes. Instead, policymakers ended the statement by indicating that they will continue to be cautious in making future adjustments to the policy rate. The Loonie plunged on the decision, possibly due to the absence of any hawkish signals that investors may have expected given the strength of the aforementioned data. Moving forward, the currency's near-term direction will likely depend on the evolution of economic data, as they could determine whether the BOC will hike in Q1 in 2018. At the time of writing, market pricing suggests roughly a 60% probability for a hike by March, according to Canada's overnight index swaps. Should fresh Canadian data be strong in the next weeks, this percentage could rise and thereby push CAD higher. On the other hand, weaker data could bring USD CAD under renewed buying interest. US dollar CAD surged after the BOC decision from near the 1.2660 support level to break above the resistance now turned into support level of 1.2750. During the European morning Thursday, the rate looks to be headed for a test of the 1.2840 hurdle. Despite yesterday's surge, we believe that the pair could continue to trade in a sideways manner in the range established from the 25th of October between the 1.2660 support barrier and the 1.2920 resistance. For the picture to turn to positive, we would like to see a clear break above the 1.2920 level. Something like that would signal a higher high on the 4-hour chart and could set the stage for more bullish advances towards the 1.3 zone. On the other hand, a break back below the 1.2660 support barrier could turn the picture negative and open the way for further declines towards the 1.26. Bitcoin. Bitcoin briefly tops 14,000. Bitcoin continued to soar yesterday, briefly breaching the US dollar 14,000 level, before pulling back a little. As usual, there was no clear fundamental catalyst behind the surge. Interestingly enough though, while Bitcoin was gaining yesterday, other smaller alternative cryptocurrencies fell. This may signal that investors who owned altcoins, alternative coins, are opting for Bitcoins, given its ever-increasing popularity. Bitcoin prices surged yesterday after finding fresh buy orders slightly below 11,900 to break briefly above the 14,000 barrier. Should the bulls remain in the driver's seat, we could see the cryptocurrency break the 14,500 barrier and aim for the psychological territory of 15,000. In case of a correction lower, we could see Bitcoin break below the 11,900 support level and aim for the 11,000. Today's highlights. From Canada, we get the IV PMI for November, though no forecast is available. As for the speakers, ECB President Mario Draghi will hold a press conference in the Basel banking reforms. For more information, please read the full comment on IronFX.com or download our app and get all the information you need to trade. Also, you can follow us on Twitter, like us on Facebook, subscribe to our YouTube channel, or circle us on Google Plus to get more trading ideas. This is Iosif, analyst at IronFX, wishing you solid trading.